Verifying your identity on Mollie is an essential step to ensure secure transactions and compliance with regulations. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create a Mollie account. Visit the Mollie website and sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Confirm your email to activate your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your account settings and verification process. Step 3. Access the verification section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide required documents. Prepare and upload the necessary documents for verification. This typically includes a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license and proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After uploading your documents, submit your verification request. Mollie will review your information, which may take a few days. You will receive a notification via email once your identity has been verified. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your identity on Mollie, allowing you to use their services without any issues.